Hi, for today I'm going to make Bofrot. I'm using just 3 ingredients to make this delicious Bofrot, and it takes 2 minutes to make. And the ingredients I'm using is all-purpose, self-rising flour, nutmeg, and yogurt, and that's it. Hi there, if you are new, welcome to my channel, and make sure to subscribe. So just technically you can leave the nutmeg out and make it 2 ingredient donut, but then nutmeg add a unique flavor to it. So I'm just going to stir this together. So all the flour is incorporated. Then I'll change from the fork to with the spatula, or if you have wooden spoon you can use it too, just to make sure everything is well mixed. As you can see in the picture, it's ready. And now I'm going to fry this in preheated oil. My oil was too hot, so I advise when using, make sure you don't overheat your oil, otherwise it will cook quickly. So I'm just using ice cream scoop to scoop together an equal amount to the oil, and you just fry it so it's golden brown. To put them on a paper towel so that the excess oil can be absorbed from the Bofrot or puff puff. So guys, there we have it. That's our Bofrot ready to enjoy, and it's soft, delicious, and nutritious as well. So thanks for watching.